Hello guys. So in today's lecture, we are going to talk about atomic force microscopy, AFM. It is a modified form of scanning electron microscopy, SEM. So by using this, we can observe the topological 3D area or topological study of the any of the object. Now it is a very accurate rather in against them a set because in which we use a simple pointer that it scan a object by point. Now for this we using a small tip like this. The diameter is near about 1 micrometer. Now it look like that. This is the pointer. This is the piezo. It is movable. This is called a cantilever. Now cantilever is a pointer which is made up of silicon SF3 N4 or NH4, something like that. It is made up of this, and the tip is very sharp. By sharp tip, we can observe the topological state. Now, exactly what happened? For example, this is our object. Now, the level of tip it's constant like that. This is our tip. Now here the laser is present. So laser give a continuous light, and here the detector is there because laser is reflected by this cantilever and go to the detector. Now as the pictures from the suns and from the Mars come like that, they just simply do like that. They give some energy and they count in which time the energy comes. There is a hole or there is anything. Now the cantilever put it down. Now for example, this is the cantilever and this is my hand. Now I want to know that what is the surface. I don't know the surface. Now cantilever moves down. First this touch here. Okay, now it go back. So the radiation go in the same way. Now as you move like this or in a physical way, now here it going to down. So radiation will go late. So they find there is a something a hole or there is a something a downward any area is there. So like that the cantilever here the cantilever goes very down. So the rays will go very slowly or very late. So they found there is a something depth into the object. Now as you can see into the image, the laser is come onto the cantilever and cantilever moves along with the piezo and they give a radiation, they give a surface that how, and by this using we can observe the 3D image, we can observe into the XYZ 3 of the axis. This is very useful. Now how the cantilever is scanned by 3 ways. First is the contact. Now in contact, what it do for the surface? Now this cantilever it continuously contact physically with the object like this, goes down, then if this goes up. So the big disadvantage of this, it can spoil our object because it has a very sharp blade. Now this is the first. Now second thing is a non-contact. What it do? The cantilever it come, and after the some distance, it found the any force of the molecule like a van der Waals force, because every molecule produce some level of force, van der Waals force. So it sensitize the van der Waals force and goes back that okay, here the molecule is there. If here then okay, here the molecule is there. The third one is a tapping like that. It taps like that. This is the best way to the scan because it is also contact, but it don't spoil or damage our objects. So this is the basic concept of the AFM, atomic force microscopy. The basic use is to the study of the surface area and study 3D of the object. So I hope you understand that what exactly happened to AFM AFM, the application of AFM. And if you want to learn anything from me, then you can mention in the below the comment section. Stay connected with Ravi's Microbiology. Thank you.